Hey, guys, better 2 minutes early than never. I think we're getting it in. Better 2 minutes early than never. We got stuff behind us, new stock trackers, new things like that. Welcome to Trailer Trades Live. We're trading from a nice, cool trailer here on the Treasure Coast. Yep, nice, cool trailer on the Treasure Coast. And we're locked. I'm making sure ain't nobody gonna bother us. All right, Apple's up today. Grab my drink. Grab my drink. We can't cruise. We're gonna do something else we enjoy doing. Had a live stream that went long last night. I'm gonna pull up TradingView so we can take a look at things and stuff. And I think we'll look at TSLL right now. Finally getting my studio set up almost the way I want it. We're not there quite yet. Look at it on the 1 minute. All right. We should have people coming in a minute. You should have people coming in a minute. Just brushed my teeth. Better late than never. Welcome. Let's see who's going to come in. We're live. We got one person. Let us know if you're here. We got TradingView that's going to go up in the corner. That might work. It's a little ugly. There we go. That's a lot better. I think I made this view. Y'all should be able to see this pretty okay. Don't worry, we're going to be sharing more in a minute, but the market is just opening. Welcome one, welcome all. We're going to get some alerts going up here. It's not going to be too loud. Well, it actually will be. Hooking up a speaker right now. So we're going to talk fundamentals of trading today. And we're going to try and talk them this week. Oh, we are connected. Yay. Terrible noises will come through. By terrible noises, I mean wonderful noises. Let's get rid of this all real quick. Boom. Delete all inactive. Delete. And we're going to buy some TSLL right now because it just went bull. We don't have any TSLL. You can see right behind me. Oh, that's Bitcoin. Sorry. I'm like, that's not TSLL. I was looking at the chart and it wasn't matching up. I'm going to show you guys all the charts in just a second as soon as I get everything lined up and ready to go. I'll show you what's going down. Well, welcome into the 6E here. Let me know who's in, where you're coming from. I'm not a scammer. I'm not a schemer. I'm just here to teach you. This is stuff I would do, Lan. How do I get started, Jeff? All right, we're going to talk about that, Jeff. I actually have something right here. If you don't already have Robinhood, nope. Command A. I'm going to share my phone in just a moment. If you don't already have Robinhood, I'm going to send you a link. This is just a personal referral link, not a business referral link. Rhode Island. I think I need to post this in the chat myself. Hold on. I'm finally getting the chat set up in a way. I'm finally getting the trailer set up in a way I like it for broadcast. Finally getting the trailer set up. I was like, what is that? All right, here we go. Thinkorswim, Fidelity, and Robinhood. If you don't have Robinhood, there's my sign-up link. It is my actual sign-up link. We're looking at TSLL. I'm going to share to this screen in a second so I can show you guys what's going on. Let me just disconnect this guy from Bluetooth. I want to make sure we're getting audio alerts. I'm going to show you exactly how this all works. I'm going to show you the 2 things I'm using to do this today. You're going to see it all today. Okay, here we go. Yes, we have the bloop sound. Perfect. All right. We are golden. Good morning, Christopher Columbus. How are you, sir? Mobile Studios, Mac Mini. Which one is it? I don't think it was that one. So this tech you're seeing right here was originally not set up for my trailer. It was set up to go in my car. The tech you're seeing right now. That is what was originally set up for. All right, there we go. I should be able to show you TSLL in a second. And we don't have an entry yet. I'm going to show you how we set this up. We're going to talk about everything here. I'm going to share my entire screen, which is always a bad idea. But why the hell not? Here we go. Let me share my entire screen real quick. Remove. Stop screen. Share screen. Entire screen. You're going to see some screenception real quick. Once I make this live. You'll see yourself, inside yourself, inside yourself, inside yourself, inside yourself. The main goal right here is to open up TradingView. I'm glad you love these streams. I like doing these streams. Elsewise, I'm just going to sit and talk to myself. So we'll talk about the tech that I'm using, the algos that I'm using, everything like that. We've got 2 algos. Well, we have 1 algo that's on right now. We just turned on the second algo. They're both running here. I just got Ray Algo Pro. So we're short right now. I'm going to show you how we set these up and everything like that. But I want to talk about the 2 algos real quick. I don't see anything going on in the market too sexy yet. Let me see. Let me see if there's anything too sexy. I don't see anything too sexy right now. We're talking about all the different ways to trade. We're waiting for that TSLL reversal. So what we're going to do is we're going to create an alert. Don't worry, I'm going to explain to you what this all means. I'm going to create an alert right here. And I'm going to say when Cobra Algo goes long on the 30-second bar, yeah, that's fine. Let me know. And when Ray Algo goes to bullish trend change, let me know. Oh, it just went long. Nice. So what I can do right now is I can open up this right here. It was not set up. And what's nice is you want to get an algorithm that does not repaint. Oh, look, there's the terrible noise. I was like, you're a little late there, Cobra, but it made sure we're good. So we're going to buy right there on the dippity dip. We're going to buy 1,000 shares. Oop. We're going to buy 1,000 shares right here on the dippity dip. I like Tesla. I actually really like Tesla. So, all right. Let me make sure we've got this set up properly where we can see everything that's going on. I'm going to pull up in a second, as soon as I can. I'm going to pull up the chat on the TV. Now, it just went short. That's okay. We're going to chase it anyway. All right. So, welcome to the rat race, boys and girls. We're going to wait for that to go long again. We're going to sit and watch it. I'm going to pull up on another phone. I have a lot of phones in my pocket. I'm not just happy to see you. A lot of phones, got a lot of iPads, got a lot of stuff like that. I'm going to pull up on another phone to chat so we can address what's going on here. Sure. Let me pull up the chat, pull up the chat, pull up the chat. All right. Hey, that actually looks pretty good. No, you're not late on it. It's so I got a new keyboard and mouse for the trailer. And, yeah, new keyboard and mouse for the trailer. All right, so we're using a platform here, and it's called TradingView. I will show you. Right, you can see what's going on the screen right here. We're using a platform called TradingView. right here on the left-hand side. And what TradingView does is TradingView is just a charting software. So I can ask it for any time frame to show me what are called the bars. So that's the range in 1 minute of TSLL. And you'll see we have TSLL on the screen behind me too. We should. But that's the range in 1 minute of the bar. So that's what's going up and down in 1 minute. You no longer need 25K. In America, they changed that. The thing that's important is you do have to have a margin account. That's very important. You do have to have a margin account. You don't have to use margin, but you have to have a margin account so that you have what's called instant settling. So you have what's called instant settling. Now, we're down a little bit. That's okay. I am not panicking. SSPC is down 5.1% today. I don't panic at all. I'm reading your comments. All right, guys. So let's talk about. So we're using a program called TradingView. It is completely free. Now the algorithms are not free. You can set up your own. People like Rhino Rick set up his own algorithm. Let's look at TradingView first. All right, TradingView. All right, and I'm gonna pull this to the side a little bit so you guys can actually see. Can't show you everything at once. I wish I could. I'm working on limitations of this software, which I really like this software. But there are limitations. So TradingView is free. Everybody should download TradingView. All right? So TradingView is free. It will allow you to actually track the market. Ooh! It's making noise. So speaking of TradingView, we go back up. We have a buy alert. Tesla long, TSLL long. You can see that trend going up. So that is a long alert. Again, we're not going to do anything, but we're going to monitor it, all right? So we'll talk about that software in a second. Yeah, TradingView is one of the first pieces of software you're going to need. So I'll write this down. So, TradingView. Now this is important. It will run on your phone. It will run on your tablet. It will run on, I have it running on a TV in front of me right now, to be perfectly honest. And it's free. You can even run it on the web. Actually, we are on the web. I was like, what? So this is the same thing. Let me just, I'll search up here. So you don't even need to download it. It's always better to have it local, though. But I can click right here. This is on the web. I'll allow show notifications. It is all completely web-based. Now, you'll see we've got different time executions. So we're going to go to the 30-second. And you'll see that long on the 30-second there. It does not retrace. Give it a second to put it out. You see it has that long. A lot of algorithms will lie and will retrace. Neither of these two I'm using do what's called retracing. If the trend is long, I'm going to go a little bit longer. So I'm going to buy another 500 shares. The trend is long, go a little bit longer. Give me a second. This is one of the strange effects of actually doing it. In reference to instant settlement, yeah, you just have to have a margin so it knows you have the model. Look, now we're up $50. Now, I'm not going to sell until we get a short notification. Now, I'm going to talk about this. I'm going to get this all set up, and I promise you guys we'll talk about it, okay? So we're going to go price, Cobra Algo, short. Let's check it up, $72. All right. This is good. We're setting this up. I'm showing you guys exactly how to do it. I'll show you where you get the algorithms, where you can get it, I think, for like $7. We already did the Cobra Algo. Ray Algo. Bearish trend change. All right, so we've got everything active. All right, so you'll see that we've got that as a buy. So we got one buy in on that first line. You see where it says long, and then you have the second one that says buy. Does everyone see that? So you see long, you see by. I highly recommend watching this on a computer, a tablet, or a TV. It's going to be very difficult to follow along on a phone. It's going to be difficult to follow along on a phone. That is still trending in an upward trend, and that is good. I need another soda water. All right, I'll get that in 2 seconds. Look at that, 57. Sit back and watch the algo. Watch for a reversal. Watch for a reversal right here. There we go, we're going up. 65, I'm just going to go get a water from my water standee. Pull my pants up. They're getting kind of loosey-loosey, eh? Loosey-loosey, goosey-goosey. I dropped a lot of stuff getting the stream ready for you guys. All right, T then. We're still trending in the right way. Whoop-ah. We're doing live from Dave & Buster's tonight, up $117. It's in the corner. Everyone can see it. There's bird shit on my beautiful window. You guys will get to see the Florida thunder shower and everything. The ticker is great. It's a brand new ticker. Well, I have two tickers. I have one that's more of a traditional ticker, and one that's a newer ticker. Again, I'm trying to teach you guys fundamentals. So in the logic of fundamentals, we're going to get out at take profit 3, which is 870. Oh, that's exactly where we're at. Okay. Sell all. Actually, let's put 875. Boom. I love the ticker too. What's the name of this one? This one is Glance. I'll show you how Glance works. Just got it the other day. So I just open up Finance here, Stock Tracker, and I got Apple, Lululemon, Meta Platforms, Tesla, and TSLL. That's all we need right now. And then I can add in Bitcoin. So we go Crypto Tracker, select. I don't even know why I have to search. Bitcoin. Hit save. And then we've got a couple tickers there. All right, we're still up $66. We got a little greedy. That's fine. I'm going to leave that up on the screen when I talk about the algos. TradingView is your first animal. All right, your first animal is TradingView. You can download it. You can use it on the web. You can use it wherever you want. We'll look at that in just a minute. I'm going to go through all the tech, and then we're going to go to the things. All right, because TradingView is not helping me alone. What's helping me along with TradingView is Cobra Algo and Ray Algo Pro. Cobra Algo, Ray is a brand new one. Now, Cobra Algo has no app. RAYALGO Pro. This one I just bought on Friday. It's been working pretty well this weekend, to be honest with you. Figure out how to sign in. This has got a whole platform and everything like that, which is really cool, actually. Okay, sign up. No pants. I think I have a password now. Okay, we're up $147, $154. All right. So this thing's actually pretty cool. Let me see if I can get in. Indicator, invoices. I paid $23 for this plan. My account. No. Ray Intelligence. Sign in. Right here. I may make these passwords usable, sendable. Tesla sold. Very nice. What do we make on that? We made $200. I will take it. I will take $200. Let me put in this code real quick. We're getting comfortable, guys. You guys are watching this happen live. This will be very easy back of hand setup in a very short period of time. I'm just put in my login code. That login code's only good once, so good luck. All right, so we sold that Tesla. Now, could we have made more? Of course we could have. What did we sell at? We sold at 75. It's at 77 now. We can re-enter if we wanted to, or 78. Yeah, we could have made a little bit more. SpaceX is up today. Again, we want to wait for another entry, so let me show you. We want to wait until it goes short. Oop. I've taken some losses in the past month intentionally. What we do when both algos give different signals. They don't usually give different signals, Ahmed. I understand the question you're asking. They're just slightly delayed. I'm using the algos to kind of to get each other. So you see that the Cobra seems to catch it first, and the Ray catches it second. But Cobra is just an algo. Ray has a whole trading platform on it. All right, we're trending back down on the right-hand side, which is fine. I like a downward trend. So this one actually has a platform on it. This is called Ray Intelligence. I promise you I will look at, okay, so your daily command center dashboard where your day starts. Fresh AI brief covering dominant market themes, key levels, highest conviction trade ideas. Here's it explains itself. So this is called Ray Algo, and it's more than just an algorithm, which is what I like. We're out of that trade right now. Deepest intelligence in the crypto platform. Crisis P&L. See today's trade setup. So this has the highest conviction is buy oil. Geopolitical event. Live price is 82.71. Conviction. NVIDIA. So today's is buy oil. Stop below 81.50. What is this stock? Liquid ETF. Long front. What is it? CL1? I'm trying to see what this is. Give me a second. Thesis. Confirmed. Very good. Interesting. So NVIDIA, the Japanese money is the best short. All right. So let's go ahead. And remember, we got out of Tesla. Look at that. Look at that. These algos are helping. I'm trying to show you the algos. I'm trying to show you everything that's set up. I'll show you the price on the two algos. This one I think was like $23. I bought lifetime to Cobra because I actually really like Cobra. Oh, there's a noise. Short. So Cobra caught it first on the short on TSLL. We're going to buy a little bit. Not too much. Now watch, the second one's going to catch in a minute. Now, it will not repaint. What do I mean by repaint? It will not do it again. And tell you to, so we're gonna buy down on the short. It's got a conviction on the short. We're long. Don't worry. Now, I think that very soon, the second algo is going to catch it. You were asking, I'm showing exactly what's going on here. So remember, Cobra set off and went short. I think Ray is going to follow it shortly after. Cobra is my favorite one. I'm using Ray for a month to confirm if it's any better than Cobra. Cobra caught it. That short is Cobra. Ray still technically says buy. We're going to wait. I think Ray is going to correct itself in just a moment. But you're kind of starting to see that the Cobra one seems to be the better one. Honestly. Again, we're not in much. As Mark would say, we're buying the dippy dip, but that short, Amit, does that make sense? Let me know that it makes sense, Amit. That short is the short thing there that says short, right on it, where my arrow is. That is Cobra Algo. Ray Algo has not caught it yet. Ray Algo has not caught it yet. Ray Algo still says bullish. We're putting two Algos against each other, boys and girls. Maybe girl, boys and girl. It was right, too. Look at that. This is why I like Cobra Algo. I used one called Vision Algo that went out of business beforehand. But I did use one called Vision Algo. I think they're out of business. We'll flip back to it in a second. Don't believe this 15 trial spots is bullshit. Design your own algorithm. Yeah, no, wait. I guess Vision Algo still exists? No. I have good internet. Wait. Vision Algo. Oh, it gives you the source code and all that. I like Vision Algo. Ooh. I didn't know Vision Algo was back. Lifetime access for $50. Uh-oh, boys. I might have to shut off the full screen share for a second if this goes to the buy page. We're going to shut off a full screen share for a second. We'll buy Vision. Am I trading through Cobra? No, I'm trading directly to my Robinhood account. Why did I buy Christopher Columbus? I bought. Here's why I bought. Richie told about NTSL night, my friend. We up big. Okay. NTSL last night. Thank you, Lax Life. I'm sorry. Give me a second. I need to get Vision Algo real quick. Let me make myself big. Why did I buy? Because I know the range. To answer your question, Christopher Columbus, I know the range. What is this? Give a tip. It's bullshit. I'm going to try and get Vision Algo. Use code sent to me. Yeah, I can show you that. I'm going to answer all your questions in a second. And we'll go with that one. Trying to get Vision Algo real quick. Put that on as well. Then I'm going to answer all your questions here. Okay. I entered a very small position on the down. A very small position. Okay. I'm going to look up your NSTL. I'm just going to try and download Vision Algo. Wait, hold on. If you guys want, Vision Algo, tweak. That may or may not be the source code. That's not the prettiest thing in the world. Lax Life. That's fine if you want to email me. No problem. So why did I buy on the short signal? I will explain that. Honestly, I bought because I wanted to get a little bit in the game. I bought, whoa, Tradeception. Let's jump back here. I bought because I wanted to get a little bit in the game. I believe it's going to trace back up. Now, you'll notice that, who has not? Ray Algo still says it's going up. Oh my. So yeah, so here's Vision Algo. Here's the Algo. Open Pine Editor. Add to chart. Okay. So we're going to copy it. Trading View. Open Pine Editor. Add to chart. I was using Algo. Indicators. Trying to figure out how to add the pine chart. I've never added an algo this way. Copy the source code. Open Pine Editor. Add to chart. All right. How to open. Any chart. All right. Looks like a little pine tree. There we go. Add to chart. And we publish. Vision Algo. Now we're running 3 algos. Public, visibility, open. Oh. You guys can look for this now. Three categories. That is actually what Vision Algo does. I'm not lying about that. I can't make it public. Gotta be private. I might be able to share it with you. Vision Algo. Add to favorites. Now we're going to add it to the chart. Add alert. Vision Algo. Buy alert or sell alert, baby. Create. So the one that says sell is Vision Algo, which we now permanently have in there. I'm going to answer your questions right now. All right. I see it. Okay. So I'm trading through Robinhood. That's what's on the right side of the screen. We're waiting for a buy signal. It is similar to selling covered calls. NLST. Probably a meme stock. It's OTC shit stock. It's doing well. It's still an OTC shit stock. It's trading on the pink sheets, baby. Tesla's just trading sideways right now. You'll see up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. It's just kind of trading sideways, which is okay. All right. Timing is everything. You're right, Matt. I mean, we're trying Vision. Cobra caught it before Vision, and Ray hasn't caught it yet. Think about that for a second. I use them all. We'll talk about Agentic in a minute. We're about to get a reversal. Watch this. I want to see who catches it first. Oh, they already caught it. That was Cobra that caught it early. Cobra caught it early there. That long was Cobra. Just as an FYI, that long was Cobra. Look at this. Cobra caught it early, baby. And you see you have TPs there. That's take profit. So we will take profit at... we're not at a big enough volume. 67. We'll take profit at 75 again. We've gone long here. I will get back to your chat in a few seconds. Put the chat on the TV. I have two TVs in here. One's acting as a monitor, and one is acting as a TV. And I'm using the wrong remote. I'm like, why is that not working? Because one's a WebOS TV, and one is a one's another TV. Yeah, no shit. Take a look at what they do. All right, we'll take a look. What's the company we're looking at? TSLL is fine. It's going to make noises if I need it. NLST. Let's go here. Nihilist. Fraud. In with Google. What does the company NLST do? That was a weird one. Didn't expect it to take over my friggin' whole screen. I got you, boy. I'm looking at what they do. Memory subsystems for servers, high-performance compute. I like it. That's a patent business. That's interesting. It's a patent game. Noises. What just went off there? And it just went short. It's okay. We're not buying this time, Christopher Columbus. We're not buying this time. All right, who's there? 20 people are there. Hold on. So they make chip stuff. Again, we got it all reset. We're going to wait for it to go long. It's okay. These are not contracts that expire like the watching ones. These are not contracts that expire like the others. Trailer trade fly, baby. That is good luck. All right. Let me throw the chat up here so we can see the chat. All right. We're short there. Here's what I'm learning. The best one here, the best performing one here is Cobra. We're running 3 algos side by side, okay? Friggin' Ray Algo still says bullish. And again, we could change the time frame to be 1 minute. Vision and the other one got it in that same 1 minute candle. Ray Algo still says up, but strength weak. Is what Ray said. If that makes sense, though. How many people we got? This is good. That is good luck. All right, now I'm going to take you off the screen real quick. Figure out how to do that. All right. Cool. We're finally settling into what we're doing today. And I am good with that. Waiting for that reversal. When that reversal comes, it's going to be interesting. Again, so we've got Vision Algo, we've got Ray Algo, and we've got Cobra Algo running on the same chart. And you can run this on any chart, like that other company, NLST, if we wanted to. It's pretty good today. Is this pretty clear to everyone? It's looking clear on my TV. Sorry if I'm not looking at the camera. Uh-oh. Something just made noise. I think we may be trending up, boys and girls. Long on Cobra. Cobra identifies these things first. Let's go. That's a weird one. It's not calculating the returns correctly. Oh, there we go. Cobra went off to go long. Oh, we're on an LST, that's why. I was like, what the hell is going on there? Someone went long. I think those are made in the 30 seconds. Let me go to 30 seconds. Yeah, there's the Cobra long. I think it'll trace out. Uh-oh. Now Cobra went short. We're all over the place. It's fine. We're using these tools to do what we need to do. It's okay. It's all good, man. See, it went long. Now it went short. I may just want to sit on this for a minute and pick another stock. Let's look at Bitcoin. So I was teaching Mark how to trade this one the other day. Let's put a 1 minute chart on here. All right. Reset chart view. Well, this is BITX. It's a Bitcoin derivative. Now we can actually just, so it's a 2 times Bitcoin derivative. But if we want to see more data, when you're doing Bitcoin, always choose Coinbase here. There's a lot of different sources for Bitcoin data. I always like to choose Coinbase there. It's okay. I realize what's going on there. And I also think there's another opportunity to make money here. Don't worry. We'll be back to the other one in a minute. All right. So now we're in VITX as well. Up $6. $10, $11, $18, $16. So we have a take profit, which we'd want to take profit about $11.95. Yeah. Scrape $100 there. We're going to sell here. Limit order. There for 1,000 shares. $11.95. Boom. Now we're going to set this up. We seem to like the, intrinsically, I believe we like the Cobra one the best. So let's set up on Cobra Algo. Oop. We need a long. And on Cobra Algo, we need short. All right. I got this new mouse. I don't know about it. It's a right-handed mouse. It's a right-handed mouse. How many of y'all are in the chat? How many? There's 21 watching. Look what they do, my friend. All right. This chat keeps freezing up. An error occurred. Please try again. All right. That's on my Android phone. I have jewels to redeem. No, thank you. All right, but you guys see that? We should be up. $26 or so. I really don't know if I can deal with this mouse. Feels like someone else is doing it. Hashtag right hand joke. Okay. We don't have a reversal yet. That's fine. Let's check on TSLL. Great new layout. TSLL is just kind of doing its thing. It's fine. We'll leave it to do its thing. Do your thing, girl. That's what you want to do. I can't tell you who to talk to. How do you cut your loss when a trade goes against you? So you can't set both a sell and a loss. Whoa. That was my mouth. That was my keyboard landing on something. Can't set both a sell and a loss. Why do I like trading Tesla and Bitcoin? They have good ranges and they generally recover, if that answers your question on it. They have good ranges and they can generally recover from anything. We got stuck in that TSLL trade last week. I got out like $700 up after the stream. So I've cut losses on things before. and you take your wins and your losses. Realistically, you would put a 3% stop loss on these, and we're nowhere near 3%. So I'm watching these very closely, if that makes sense on it. I have a lot of trades I don't watch closely. All right, so Cobra is saying that Bitcoin's going down. I'm just letting you know what Cobra's saying. I think I got it right. We'll see. We're going to trade it a little bit more interestingly with a 30-second. Come on, trace it. Cobra, Vision. Right. They're not on this chart. Yeah, it's weird. So it looks like Cobra is catching it the fastest. Vision catches it. So the Cobra actually does come from the Vision team. But I'm pretty sure Cobra is actually catching this the fastest. They're all going off. TSLL. It's telling me to switch back to TSLL. Let's switch back to TSLL. Yeah, you do need highly liquid shares to execute. Okay, so again, Cobra caught it first. We got our sell in place here. I still think that's a good number. Let's go back to TSLL. We did just go long. Yeah, you gotta have some liquidity there. You do. All those alerts are on 30 seconds, so let's watch 30 seconds. So it's giving a take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. So I'm going to set it for 872. But we'll do some research on Spotify. I'm not a fan of Spotify. I like YouTube Music personally. We're long, but I don't really like that. Yeah. And look, right as I executed it, it went short. Motherfucker. It's okay. I'm just saying, right as I hit the execute, you'll hear the noise. It's kind of annoying. Kind of annoying, guys. Kind of annoying. All right, let's go here. Do a deep dive on Spotify, the stock. I like Claude did this. It's okay. I am not angry here. Getting equity fundamentals. Always allow. On Gash watching. Always watching. Not liking that $100 loss there. No, siree, I am not, eh? Spotify. The stock is down. 32% from its peak, while its business got materially better. Interesting. Very interesting. The bull case. It's a pretty good PE. So watch this. I'll show you guys something interesting. Create a buy ladder on my Agentic account to buy $1,000 worth of Spotify as it drops every 1%. Bilateral. That's funny. I gotta do something on my phone real quick. I don't want you guys to all see. Sorry, I like to share a lot, but I gotta send a text message to someone. All right, here we go. So I can actually set up a ladder to buy here. Oh, come on. It's being just degenerate and not wanting to give me what I want. So I can set up a ladder to buy at different functions. Can we look into doing fractional shares since the price is so high? All right. Let us take a look at fractional shares there. Yeah, no. Let me just tell it. You're reading, it's saying it can't automate fractional. So I can do. All right, let's, hold on. All right, let's up it to $2,500 and then we'll do it that way. Beep. Give me a second. My mic is not available. Sound. Input. It doesn't have to be my friggin' phone. It got to wave. Okay, let's try this again. I don't know why it needs to. Microphone. Set permissions. Microphones. Oh, okay. We just have to change to the right microphone. All right. Allow one to revisit. All right, so I'm going to give you $2,500 to do the ladder there at full shares. market's doing its thing today, and it's not pretty. Up in Carnival. Buy to close. Made money there. Made $250 shorting Carnival today. That felt good. All right. Here we go. Yeah, so this is what you were asking about in the chat, I believe. So does that answer your question, Winter Storm? So you didn't send a voice note. It's easier. Yeah, I had to check something that I actually had to go off the stream on. I'll be back in a few seconds. No, I got it checked. And my watch is now charged. Just got to plug this phone in real quick. And I got to check how the battery's doing. All right, let's mirror again. Take you guys along for the degenerate-ass ride. The market is turning over. But this is a good buying opportunity. I do not fret. I do not fear. All right. That was a pretty wild 7-hour live stream last night for those of you that were on it. I felt like I was there drinking and smoking with Mark and Eddie. If any of you want to do that and you got internet on a cruise, I'm happy to jump on with any of y'all. Anytime. Let me make sure we're good there. Yes. So that's how I would do it. And let me tell it to actually do it. All our limit buy, good to close. We just go place it, and it's got that in. If that makes sense. My watch is fully charged. Doing Dave and Buster's with Lisa tonight. That'll be fun. She's been cooking the last few nights, so I said I don't cook things. Verified it against the account. Everyone came back confirmed. No gremlin this time. And it's asking me if I want to turn off my alarm. I usually get up at 10:45. Now we're getting up earlier, just for y'all. But does that make sense, sir? Let's check about these guys. Array Intelligence. AI Technical Screener. Gold. Nice. I love gold. I love gold! I don't know how you guys feel about gold, but I love gold. Again, I think we're going to come out on top on these trades. I'm watching them like a fucking hawk, all right? If a noise goes off, we're tracking Bitcoin. We're not tracking BITX because there's just not enough volume in BITX to track. Oh, we sold. No, we didn't sell. Just no shares available. Okay. Bitcoin's in a better place. We're trending up here. Again, I want you guys to see what's going on. Look at that. Look at that. that is Cobra Algo. So you guys understand which Algo you're buying, right? You're buying Cobra. Now let's see how far Vision is behind Cobra. Vision will say buy. Cobra went long. Wait for Vision. But you guys can see. Again, I'm willing to add any of your stocks. Give me a stock. What's the one? N something something something. I'll add that one. I can have layouts with multiple stocks. Whatever. Window 3. What is that stock? NLST. Oh, it's going down, baby. I'll throw some indicators up. It's a new window. Cobra, Vision, Ray. And Cobra's the one we seem to like. You guys are starting to see. What we're learning today is that Cobra, which is the one I've used, is a good one. Cobra. Short. All right. It's okay. We all watching it live. AAPL, for sure, Jeff. I love AAPL. It's actually my largest holding. No joke. Got a stock screener based on volume. Entertainment Arts Research. Synergy. I'm looking who's been trading a lot today. SpaceX has been trading like a motherfucker today. That's a good stock screener. Ooh, heat map. That's pretty cool too. TSLL, let's switch back over there. We got a buy alert. That's a buy alert from Vision, baby. Is that a buy alert from Vision? Yeah. I'm not sure how I got 8 shares in there, but I'll bite. I did get more buying power because I was short on Carnival. Sorry, slightly out of the scroll. $20 down on that. Let me check how our power is doing. You know, you might say, what do I mean, power? Things are going off. Oh, we're good on power. My PV input's a little low, but we'll fix that tomorrow. In the next few days. But yeah, that's the power going to the trailer. Grid is coming from my truck. All right, enough on that. Back to TSLL. Look at that. That algo fucking knows. Now, again, you'll notice we have the long, which is Cobra algo, and then we have the buy, which is Vision algo. You shoot me an email. I might be able to share Vision with you. Bitcoin sell. I promised you we're going to go Apple. I am a man of my promises. And what's cool is these tabs will actually follow you along. So let's go. Apple. And this is all being run on a Mac Mini. This is a little FYI. Cobra. Vision. Right. All right. We got Apple set up here. Ooh. Yeah, when Apple usually goes red when the market goes red. I got another gadget coming. That's going to give us market news. We're going to go long. We're going to go Cobra Algo. Short. All right. Cool. Let me see how we're doing over here in the chat. Also, let me check if that did that place. Yeah. I can go over here. I go. Look at the entire Agentic account and tell me what's doing bad and what's doing good. Let's see if we got anything in the green we can sell there. All right, StreamYard real quick. Good morning, Sal. We got an Apple screener. Oh, look, we're up $54 on that Bitcoin, baby. That'll pay for Checkers lunch. I've already decided we're going to lunch at Checkers, baby. Ah. Okay, NLST, what just happened there? NLST has a buy, and Apple has a buy. And we're up $32 over here. Let's decide where we're going to get out over here. How we decide where we're going to get out is we're going to pull up TSLL. And these are giving us what are called standard deviations here. Give it a second. So standard deviations say, they say, fuck you, we're outside of the scale of the chart. Where's our fucking take profit? Sometimes the charts don't scale properly. I'm also not on a monitor. I'm on a TV. 869. Yeah, let's get out at 870. We got right now 66. So we're gonna sell. Limit order 1758 at 8.70. Review. Swipe up. We're good. It's Italy done. Alright. Let me put this over here. Alright. Again, we're green there. See, this NLST is kind of all over the fucking place. That's why I'm not a fan. It's all over the place. I do love the heat map. Nvidia's up, Apple's down, Broadcom's down, Micron's up, Cisco's up. Let's see the largest market cap. Probably Microsoft. No, it's Nvidia. Overview. Nvidia followed by Apple, followed by Alphabet, followed by Microsoft. Followed by SpaceX. SpaceX is the 6th largest stock. That's wild. That is the 6th largest stock by market cap. That's fucking wild. Okay, we got that Tesla order in. Trying to see what temperature it is in here. And here's what's cool. You guys want to see cool tech? I love cool tech. Let me show you cool tech. Well, pool tech. Gobi. So this actually lets me see the temperature in the trailer. It says disconnected. Yeah, it's warm in here. It's warming up. 86 is the temperature in Mark's pool. There's my swing lights. NLST is coming back. All right, daily Tesla. It's doing well. Let me see if we're still blowing cold here. All right. I have turned off the energy saver. We are no longer saving energy. Fuck saving energy. I do hold a normal stock portfolio on it, yes. And that's not what I'm going to show. This is a portfolio I choose to show. All right. METU. The market's going down except for Tesla. It's very interesting. We're about to get out. It's 70. You know what? I'm going to change it to 69. Well, hold on. Not 79. You might say why? Because I don't know if it has the fundamentals to get to 70 in this weak market we're in right now. $68. Come on, give me 69. Now, someone asked about this. We can actually see the pressure on either side here. Buy pressure, sell pressure. This is actually really fucking cool. I love this chart. The fact that you can see these charts side by side. I did get the, hold on. I turned my AC off of eco mode, so now it's running full bore. Full bore. 69. So when the green side goes up, there's more buying than selling. It's likely going to go up. So this is called a ladder. Day's P&L is $250 in Tesla. We're currently up $41 there. There's more buyers at 68 than there are sellers. It means we're going to trick to 69 soon. So the red are the sellers. We are on board. Nice. Shall we let Marky Mark join? Marky Mark and Eddie Ed. I don't think they have Wi-Fi yet, so we'll call them in a few minutes. Tesla sold, baby! And you can see our profit loss for the day, 276. And we're back down a little bit, 268, 269. We could have maybe gotten at 868, 869. Could have gotten 870. You have our day's profit and loss there. We'll get on. So you want to go live, Marky Mark? That's fine with me. I can quadruple task. Let's check Apple. No real price action in Apple. They went to a buy. The last thing was that buy. Again, you cannot, I want to point out again, you cannot do this with an old computer. You must be using a pretty state-of-the-art computer. Now, my computer is tiny that I'm using. It's infinitesimally tiny. I'll show it to you. Boink. I think it's right there. That's my whole computer I'm using here. I have a bigger computer. But yeah, my whole computer's right there. Yes, my trailer's a bit of a fun dumping ground. Don't hate on it. I'm going to clean it up eventually. We'll see. We just went a buy on Bitcoin, which I forgot we still had those shares. So we got our TSLL. Let's get out of BRTX. We have no shares available. I guess we made money there. Yeah, 11.85. That's a buy. Oh, we still have shares. We're up $19 there. And we have a limit sell at 95. Let's take a look at the pressure map here. Mark is familiar with this. I had this up on the screen the other day. You'll see that fucking Cobra keeps beating everyone to the punch. This seems to be your bad boy. $7.95 for 4-day access. Here's Cobra Algo. Comment. That's Cobra Algo. I don't think they have a referral program, nor do I care, but I bought Lifetime for less than that. They have a Discord as well. Try and get the Discord. So we're up $33.90 there. I'm going to reset that to place limit order 1191. So Amit, honestly, if you want to trade, get yourself a Mac Mini. To answer your question honestly, it's not about RAM. It's about the total quality of the computer, if it's going to lock up or anything like that. I just got a new keyboard and mouse. The problem is my mouse, I might return. I'm going to get it together to potentially return it. Because I got the Logitech MX Master for Mac, but it's the right-handed version, and it's driving me fucking insane. All right? It's driving me fucking insane. Just get a Mac. Honestly. I have PC. I hate PC. Macs are great. I got a Solar keyboard. Lisa was looking at this as well. She wanted to see the Solar keyboard. I think it has like a way to see the battery power. But BRTX, we made that money, baby. Let's see what we made that for. So $61 in BRTX. So in a perfect world, we have, it's confusing. I've taken some write-offs. I will even show you. I don't really care. I'll show you guys. But like I've had some losses because I've taken them. Okay. Oh, that's why it doesn't have profit. I was like, that's a Roth IRA. So I've had some losses because I've took them. But let's look at the last week. So today so far we're up $588 today. Again, what I've taken the last week, what I haven't taken the last week, I dumped some things, I raised some things, it's okay. All right, what are we getting in? Let's look at a stock screener. You know what? Let's do one better. Let's go to Claude again. Tweak. All right, so this is... All right, two green positions are Netflix and gold. All right, let's set up a gold ladder. All right, so watch. Go ahead and sell my two green positions. All right, so we're going to sell the two green positions, Netflix and gold. So these are other things that I'm in. Oof. End phase. AA on. But I don't have many. Now this is my Agentic account, so you're getting to see this right now. It's execution. Boom. No broker alerts. No limits. Yep. Extraordinary income. Yep. Confirmed. Go ahead and place the trades. Also, tell me how much money I have in available buying power in the Agentic account. Gold sold. Netflix sold. All right, so we're going to set up a ladder. I'm willing to show you guys the ladder. GLD. Spider Gold Trust. All right, guys, this is going to get fun. Broski. All right. I like to build your own PC. RAM. Get a lot of RAM and a good processor. I don't know PC stuff as much anymore. I used to. I built PCs. All right. The account is now 100% equity. Availing battle. Okay, so we're going to do. All right, so what I want you to do is I want you to set up a buy ladder on the dip. And I want you to buy every 0.5% down for GLD. I'm going to give you a limit of $5,000 to do it. So a buy ladder, B-U-Y-L-A-T-E-R. A buy ladder, L-A-D-D-E-R. B-U-Y-L-A-D-D-E-R. And see if you can execute that. All right, the buy ladder trading strategy for GLD. All right, so you're about to see some wild shit go down, and I love this. Okay, we're going to do this in Agentic, where we sold our GLD. Now, Agentic is not, here's the important thing, my Agentic account is not a margin account, so I can't do day trades on the Agentic account. Robinhood only allows you to have a single margin account. Mark wants to get invited. Okay. I will invite. Let me just review that. Scaled by ladder strategy. Okay, GLD. Here's the structure. Good with that. 90 seconds ago. Wow. Coherent plan, goals up 1% today, so you're not chasing a spike. You know what? Add a little more space. You talked me into it between the rungs. All right. We're going to invite Mark and Eddie, but if they start distracting me. Yeah. That is correct, sir. An invite link, if anybody wants to join, because why the fuck not, is going to be right here. I'm going to have to send that to Mark. We haven't bought that yet. Mark Abus. There's your invite link, Mark. All right, gold's going to get interesting in a second because we have no gold position right now. I liked Alienware. Yeah, then my friend bullied me into buying a piece. Yeah. Yeah, I just like Mac. Yeah, that is true. Mark is here. And Mark, you're in the stream. Who would have guessed they're back at the smoking section?
Cheers. Salud.
Salud. Let me make sure I'm not drinking, so that's funny. Yeah, I'm not drinking.
Yeah, well, we are.
I got it. Yeah, you are.
Here. Hold on.
Here. This is funny. You have an empty boat. Why are you not walking around the empty boat and showing people cool shit, you know? Mark
we just got back on.
We just got back on.
I know, but no, they haven't opened it to normal guests yet, have they?
Tell my friend here.
Tell my friend here
What we did.
Hello.
what we did.
You had all the bamboo.
Yeah, it's empty.
It's empty.
It's empty. All right.
It's getting
It's getting restocked tomorrow.
Thank you.
I don't know that I can really help with the echo. Unless I turn off the mic. Here. I'm going to mute Mark's mic. Again, we have a different environment every time. It should be better now. Can you hear me, Mark? No. No, we can't.
I can hear you.
Hold on.
I can hear you.
I can hear you. Edit mic settings. We're doing the best we can. Ben, I wish I could fix the echo.
Are you in the chat?
Are you on the chat?
I'm in the trailer. I'm trading. Yeah. 1% steps, same 5,000 cap.
Oh, there's some
All right,
like
guys,
background noise going on.
Executed trades. Wait, what the hell did I say? I said execute the trade. Yeah, you'll have some echo. I'm sorry. Not really sure. Yeah, I can actually. Yeah, but then he can't hear me. Just give me a second. I'll pop in an earbud. I carry earbuds.
You're not in yet?
You're not in yet?
Loading.
Give me just a second. Bluetooth. I've had a lot of AirPods. Oh, and we got those upcoming buys that are now showing. I'm working on this, guys.
He was tomorrow. What?
Did I remember to say? Well, we go to mall. Then we can get her the company number.
I shouldn't have to pair this. I'm working on it, guys. Not you guys. I don't know what number AirPods these are.
There, it's low.
It's slow down there. Eddie's trying to get the chat.
All right, we're gonna mute them for a minute, okay? Mark can't mute the sound. We're dealing with somebody who's technically inept. I love you, Mark, but he doesn't have a pair of headphones on him to do this. AirPods Pro 3. So I have to do this. Just give me a minute, guys, and I will maybe get this connected. There we go. 3 is the right one.
There.
It's not there.
Right, let's re-mirror so you guys can see what I executed. I now know what number AirPods we're dealing with. We'll get this fixed in just a moment. But I do want you to see that execution that happened on gold. AirPods Pro 3. I have a couple pairs of AirPods. I thought the AC went off. Well, you go to Tuscan Grill. Will Eddie roll the meatball on the floor? Nobody really knows. AirPods. Okay. Now we're good. Now I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yep.
I can hear you.
Yep.
All right. There we go. Okay. I don't know if you guys will be able to hear the alert things anymore, but we'll see.
Okay.
Here we go. You guys tell me what's going on, what you can hear. Is the echo gone in the chat?
Yes, it is.
All right. I had to fix it from my end, and I didn't know what AirPods I had in my pocket, but I knew I had AirPods in my pocket. So I'm going to charge these AirPods. Since it's first day. Yeah. Well, you can't get a good deal for lunch because lunch isn't open. I don't think they might be doing lunch on the C day. But Mark only goes to the fancy places if he gets comped.
Correct, sir.
All right. So just so you guys can see, we've got our gold limit order placed. And I said, do it. Account state now 18 resting orders total, 5 spot, full commitment across. Wait, hold on. I can ask it really quickly.
There's no chat here.
Can you tell me what other orders are pending? For the day, Mark, we are up. Realized so far, 2 hours in. What did we make? I don't know. Let's see. For the day, I took some lost porn the other day, but today we are up $588 for the
There
day.
you go. There you go.
That
You
ain't
can buy
bad.
checkers now.
I'm going to Checkers in an hour.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm gonna go. Okay, watch this. I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna say, allow while visiting the site. Make me a image that says "Gone to Checkers. Be back in a half an hour" that I can put on the stream. The street, whatever. It's the street. It's fine. I don't care. Let's see what it generates. But what we've determined is Cobra is the way to go. Let's reset everything. We're going to trade again. All right. Let's go. Past week, 3K.
Is
Realize.
Lisa off or is she working?
Lisa is working until 2 p.m. today.
Okay. And then you guys are going to Dave and Buster's, right?
Then she is getting some nails from a. She's getting nails from the multi-level marketing scheme, and then we're going to Dave and Buster's and we're going to do a live stream there.
Okay.
But yes, because here's the thing I told Lisa. Lisa cooked dinner the last 2 nights, and I said, Lisa, now since you cooked dinner for 2 nights, I'm going to take you out for dinner for the next night.
Oh,
That's fair. I don't cook dinner. I don't cook dinner.
I know you don't.
I don't believe in cooking, but me and Lisa felt like we didn't want to go out the last few nights because it was Saturday and Sunday night, but today is Monday night. And I always go out on Monday night, and right next to Dave and Buster's is a Miller's Ale House, so Matt.
What is it? It's Zinger night, right?
It's Zinger night. It's Monday night. Mark's starting to understand. There's a schedule to this.
Zinger chickens. What's it called? The Zinger.
Do you know what is actually quite amusing? Something went off here. NTSL. What is quite amusing is that by me in real South Florida, we have a ale house right next to a Dave and Buster's too. You remember, Eddie?
Yeah.
Remember that's kind of weird that the ale house and the Dave and Buster's are next to each other.
Yeah, right next to the Oakland Park, right?
Yep.
The one that we went with.
TSL went up a little bit.
Real estate agent.
But I think we got out right there. Let me see where we got out. I think we got out at 75. No, we got out at 40. God, it ran. It fucking ran. Tesla ran. Look at that, boys and girls.
Is that TSLL? I can't see.
TSLL, baby. Okay. I wouldn't get in right now. We're going to wait for a correction.
I'm in from the other day.
You're in? You should be up. You want to fucking check it? Because it's up pretty massively today.
I'll check it.
That's not one you really want to hold. We'll talk about that. That is not something you want to hold because it rebalances every day. All right, so website.
Well, I got limit cells, and I'm
Echo is gone. Eddie, comp Mark. That's funny.
What?
I don't know. We missed out on some upside there. I'm gonna buy 100 shares to get back in the game. That's less than $1,000. Are you green, Mark?
Am I green?
Are you green on the TSLL? I don't want you fucking with that.
No, I'm not. I'm not.
Okay, because you bought without supervision. You bought without multiple screens and charts and shit like that.
Correct.
You bought at breakfast with AJ.
Yeah.
Here's the thing. When you're doing that, it's pure gambling. When you have information, You take the house edge down a bit, you know?
Yep.
You know, Richie's
That's
all
Apple.
about the house edges.
That's Apple. Let's check on Apple. AAPL. Apple Inc. That is a buy on Apple.
Oh,
Oh, that's a huge fucking spike on Apple.
Okay.
I think I'm going to go balls deep on that spike because I'm sitting on this stock I really don't fucking like. It's not Apple. It's an Apple derivative that I'm sitting on, AAPU. And let's double down. All right, done. We're doubling down on Apple. We're going to ride it back up. Let's go.
All right. First one's on board.
That was
11.
one we were fucking with the other day. Or we can see
The
the.
downstairs or get the cardi.
Are you going to go downstairs to get to the cardi?
Before you
Guys,
Well, well,
this is the absolute best time to shoot
I
a
only
ship
have
tour
two
because
seconds.
nobody's on board.
See if it's even
But
worth it.
you and I have very different priorities and things, so I'm just letting you know. Like this, I've shot a ship tour between the cruises, and it's wild because you're the only person on the boat right now.
yeah, we're
Also,
going to do what?
strange question: where did you leave your shit? Did you put it into your new cabin? Where did you leave everything?
Everything is already in our new room, hung up in the safe. Everything.
Nice. All right.
We have a handicap room.
You have a handicap room. There's room for activities.
Handicap ocean view.
Eddie's looking for some metallics.
Yeah, he'll find them. Well, they find him.
Yeah, Eddie is looking for some metallics. It's
Eddie's.
interesting. If you see, I'm just talking to people on the chat. Vision Algo caught that long way, not Vision. Cobra caught that long way there, and it took Vision a lot longer to catch it. And Watch Jiggy hasn't even caught it yet. And look at the reset chart view. Look at Apple today. This is a very good with this heat map and everything like that. This is juicy as shit. All right, this is juicy shit. Okay, now long term, I actually don't believe in Apple. I'm selling my Apple shares every day. Look, Mark, you're seeing new tools you've never seen before. You've never seen that heat map before, have you?
No, I have not.
Yeah, you've never seen a stock screener that we're looking at change and market cap and other stuff. You know why? Because I didn't introduce you to these things yet.
I'm not. I'm not drinking that straight, Eddie. I'm not. There's no
Genesis
way.
Healthcare.
Not bad.
If
Nah,
only you were in Genesis Healthcare, you would have made 5,000,000% today.
nah.
Nah, Mark doesn't want 5,000,000%.
I do. Yeah.
Nvidia is the largest frigging market cap. $5.49 trillion. We're digging out of our hole on AAPU. That's one I just want to get
I'm
green.
still in AAPU.
Well, I just doubled down on AAPU. Lulu, you were happy you got the fuck out of Lulu. Lulu's been a disaster.
Yeah.
Kind of want some more. I like pain. I like Lulu. Also, let's see if we can re-enter my Carnival short. I have one share of Carnival. In my day trading account, I owe Carnival $30. Don't even ask. But we're going to short 100 shares of Carnival. Because they have no clue how to run their company. We have nothing on the screener right now. So let us go and look for other opportunities before noises get made. Let me check on the chat. School season and Lulu in falling. Lulu equals ass magic. I agree, Rhino. Rhino understands why I like Lulu. All right. search the market and find me opportunities in today's market with stocks that are very undervalued, and their fundamentals haven't changed, but they're undervalued specifically today with very big changes today that would be a good buying opportunity. Again, I talked like a moron, but this is a really good AI, Claude. Claude will help us. Unchanged fundamentals and significant price drops. All right, always allow. Here we go. Let us take a look at the chat.
I can't see the chat.
So the answer is it's not a website. It's actually in TradingView. So the stock heat map is inside TradingView. Apple is still heading up. And look, finally we got a buy there on the Ray Algo. What I'm learning is all I need is Cobra and Vision. I don't need anything else. Cobra and Vision are more than enough. But yeah, this is just literally you go on the TradingView.
What are we doing?
And
Hey, Richard, did you hear us?
I can hear
We
you.
just finished. We just finished the last ball of Zacapa from downstairs in the full bar. We've cleared it out at the mass bar, and we cleared it out in the sunset bar.
You've cleared the Zacapa.
Yeah, basically.
And they told us
Congratulations.
with you guys.
I want to let you know. That Zacapa is an upcharge on the 6-star cruise line Regent Seven Seas.
Correct.
Yeah.
It is not included in your $1,000 a day on the 6-star cruise line Regent Seven Seas. Just as a fun FYI.
And yes, these are doubles.
What?
These are doubles
Oh,
because that's the last of it.
oh God.
And he just said, make it go away. No. I'm trying to see if the temperatures.
We were known as
I was showing people the fun temperature app. It's, oh my God, how is the trailer getting this hot? It's just hot outside. We're at 82 degrees in the trailer.
We're glistening over here.
Well, I mean, it's not 100 degrees, and I have an air conditioning on. It's just the air conditioning is having trouble keeping up. I might have to add a second AC unit.
That, or get yourself the fan that you have that you used to bring in your cabins and have it going as well. That'll help.
I have multiple fans in here. It's just this was 70. This was 73 an hour ago, and now it's 82. And I've taken
Jesus.
the energy guard. I've taken off of the air conditioner. I've told it, don't save energy, just run.
No eco mode.
See, when I
No
used to have a
eco
friend
mode.
that had an RV, he would put a blue tarp on the ceiling, on the roof, to make it cooler.
Yeah.
And you want to do that too, broski. Put a tarp on on top of your trailer.
What a tarp! I can put a white tarp, and it'll be like a clan trailer.
Yeah, but it'll keep it cooler. The heat will reflect off from the main tarp and not penetrate it too much.
The pool is 86.4, Mark.
What happened?
I said the pool is 86.4.
Oh, well, that's a good temp.
Yeah, that's awesome.
That's a good temp.
Yeah, you don't want it too cold.
The last couple of weeks, it's 88 and 90.
Jesus.
The water.
It's a sell on NLST. I didn't buy it, so it's fine. Mark will be back, and we'll do this next week live. Actually, by Friday, we'll do this live. Yum Brands maintained as a buy. Yum is KFC, Taco Bell, Pizza Hut. The weirdest thing, I got an ad for Pizza Hut, and I questioned what year it was. Pizza Hut, Eddie, this will be good use for you when you get back. Pizza Hut is now selling personal pan pizzas on their app for $3.
No, it's $2 if you're a member, one of the rewards members.
Oh, really? It's $2? What?
Yeah, on Tuesdays. On Tuesdays,
Yeah,
it's
but
$2.
it's $3 every day.
Yeah, regularly it's $3, but on Tuesdays it's $2.
Is there a Pizza Hut around here, Mark? I think there might be.
What you call it? I got free breadsticks.
There
and
is.
pizza.
I should just check the Tesla. See how far away it is. Let me see. That actually might work better for lunch than Checkers. I kind of am feeling Pizza Hut, but if it's a long, long way, I don't want to go.
There's one there's one, I think, on Gatlin.
I'm looking. Oh, 1.2 miles. We can do that for lunch.
Yeah.
Well, I said I went to Checkers. Now I'm lying.
Get some cheese sticks, bro. You're not gonna miss that.
I don't want cheese sticks. I like
What?
breadsticks. You guys
You're
is
a cheese,
nasty.
but you're the cheese guy.
All right. All right. Change it to gone to Pizza Hut. Be back in half an hour. Okay, we're going to Pizza Hut. Everyone's able to see this, which is what's wild. Oh, all right. Back to the stonks. That's the way my brain works. Oh, Constellation Brands down 6%. I like STZ. The problem is Constellation Brands got big into weed drinks specifically, and they're going to be illegal November 11th. Wingstop. Oh shit. Give
You
back,
know it's
not a pop,
illegal
and not a
already in
fresh.
Texas.
I fucking hate StubHub. Ooh.
Oh, there you go.
You're like me yesterday morning, bro. Where I just had to take a nap and eat, or eat then take a nap. This is how you
Not
look like
coincidence.
when you drink 60 drinks.
I didn't.
All right, so guys, let's talk about this for a minute. It's
Yeah.
saying that consumer discretionary spending is down. This is a good time to go against the cruise lines, to be honest with you. Let's see more of that same bet buying these with concentrated exposure. Market
You
overlooks
drink
something. They're
60.
cheap because the market is pricing in consumer deterioration, and you're
At
taking the other
20 in
side
the
of that.
day in the morning, 20 in the afternoon, and another 20 at night. Guaranteed.
Oh, the bar's $50.
All right, so what I want to do is I want to bet against weed stocks. So any of the weed
Dude,
stocks that are
you
making
played off
drinks like
3 bars.
Constellation and stuff like that, they're going to be illegal in
That's not
November. I
enough.
want to bet against them.
Three
Tell me
ain't
how I can do that.
Oh, I'm sorry.
They said, Ed, yeah, don't talk. You're on a live stream. Don't talk about anything like that, okay?
Okay.
Can't out Pizza the Hut. I'm going to download the Pizza Hut app in a minute. I'm going to Pizza Hut for lunch. For sure, for sure. Pizza Hut's happening. Alcohol prohibition member. Clarifying garbled premise and requesting transition help. That's funny as shit.
Richie, we're gonna log out.
All right. I will log you out. I will log you out and we'll go back to our normally scheduled programming. Have some food. And if you
Okay.
want to come back on, that same link works. Just text me that you're on. Bye,
Yeah, I'm gonna
boys.
get this.
All right. They're out. They're out. They're out. All right. We're back to actually making money. And, the market went a little red there. So I wasn't actually against that little call. Okay. Not alcohol. I'm talking specifically about CBD infused drinks and the hemp ban that's coming federally in November. All right. We're back. Sorry. Modelo talk. For Adobe is interesting. I don't think AI is going to make it worthless. All right. There we go. Bloom Energy. I like Bloom. No, the Cobra is still winning here by a lot, and it's not even close. Let's look up Bloom. Bloom Energy. It seems to today just being moving with the market. I'll add some alerts on it. Why not? We learned the Cobra is the best one. Long create alert. Cobra. Short. Boom. So we got a lot of charts right here. You can see news. We're still doing well today. Core Civic, the prison company. Nice. I like Core Civic. Consumer spending is going down. Damien, we got insider information, and I like it. I don't care. Bloom Energy. Here, you know what? Just for you, Damien. Watch this. Now this press makes sense. Hold on. For drinks specifically, the cap is brutal. The problem is expressing it. They're private. There's no clean public short. Tilray, it's diluted. There's no core business. Yeah, no, there's nothing worth buying. Let's do a look at Bloom Energy. Can you do a deep dig on Bloom Energy and see if we can set up a ladder to buy in there? All right. Fucking SanDisk. Look at this company. It's up 639% year to date. Fucking SanDisk. I love SanDisk, but also fucking SanDisk. Oh, we got a notice. Bloom just went short. Could be a good entry. We'll have to see. Somebody is Canadian, I know. Rhino, is this bringing you flashbacks, dude? It got postponed to December? Hold up. All right, Bloom Energy, deep dig. Electric, no combustion. Bloom Energy, big lie. Bloom is reliant on Chinese Canadium. Uh-oh, we got to buy on Bitcoin, which means we're going to buy some BITX. Oh, wait, we're already in that, I think. No shares available. I guess we didn't get in it. Could have made more. 1,000. Bitcoin is trading up fundamentally. It's an interesting one. Also, let's see if anybody out pizzas the Hut. All right. BIT Bitcoin. BTC. All right. Let's see if Pizza Hut's really this cheap. We're on NLST. Let's check how Apple's doing. Apple's still up. Throwback value menu. Carry out at this one. Carry out from here. Ready in 15 minutes. I got points. All right. What can I get here? I want breadsticks. Personal pan, one topping. Ooh. Ooh. I can get barbecue. Really? With cheese? And chicken? What am I getting charged 75 cents for? Fuck that. Okay, barbecue. And cheese and chicken. And pineapple. Sorry. There we go. 750 for lunch ain't bad. Not gonna do it right now. We're gonna schedule it for 12:15. Oh god. Things are going off like crazy. Buy alert. TSLL. Sorry if you guys are getting crazy. I'm crazy too. MSTR is a Ponzi scheme. I don't need to think it. Oh, we're up $50 on fucking Bitcoin. Let's take it. Sell. Limit order. 1,000 shares. 1202. Where am I making up 1202? That's just where it was in the range a minute ago. Bitcoin order complete. Yeah, boy. All right. What else are we in? We're in TSLL. Yeah, we got some TSLL here. It's down $2. No big deal. See where we're at for the morning. This does look to be a productive morning. We have made $643 so far this morning. Thank you for trading along with me. Again, we have things there that are dogs. It's in the wrong account. That's why. That's why I'm not finding the Tesla. All right, so we're going to put a sell in at like 875. I think everything's reset. Hold on. Yeah, we're good here. All right. There's an active short seller campaign against Bloom. Here's the problem. 2 separate risks, lethal exposure, not good for meta, for mental. Constantly adrenaline cortisol. Yeah, it sucks your life away. Nah. He's down. Oh my god, he went naked short on fucking Sandus? Dude. All right, I like that bet. What is it? Yeah, let's put that ladder. Go ahead and place the ladder on Bloom Energy. Fathoming. Okay, now we got our Panda Pizza Hut. Be back in a half an hour. That's cute. I think I can add that into StreamYard as an image file from downloads. We're not going yet, but I can just go add to stage. Gone to Pizza Hut. Be back in half an hour. I put in a ladder. Seven runs, 1 share each. Good to close. Regular hours. Review top and bottom runs. No broker alerts on either. Apple down. See the green and red tell me it's up or down. We can look at it. AAPL. Apple Inc. Apple's on a sell. Look at this. It was called first by Cobra, second by Vision, third by Ray. No, second by Ray, third by Vision. Cobra's gotten it first each time. Isn't that strange? The Cobra's gotten it first each and every time. Again, I'm happy to add any stock you'd like, and if I hear the terrible noise, I will let you know. The terrible noise? Okay. Scan the entire stock market for buying opportunities today. Okay. Tesla down. That's not good. What do we got? 100 shares. Oh, all right. We're going to do one more flip in Tesla. Okay. One more flip in Tesla. Hold on. I have very little money to work with here. Okay. Buy another 100 shares. I bought it in the wrong account. Oh, look. And now it just went bull in. So again, it was found first. Found first by, it's wild. Cobra got it first. Vision got it second. Cobra and Vision actually got it in the same 30 seconds. And then Ray Algo took longer. It got it like a minute and a half later. Very interesting. Cancel order. I want to just get out even here. I bought it in the wrong account. 8 point. I may just switch to a different account. I think we're going to switch to a different account for this. Okay. There we go. 200 shares in Agentic. All right. The problem is, this is the only account I can buy and sell. Hold on. I'm not showing you what I need to show you. I realize that it's just me on the screen. Let me fix that. There we go. We're back. Sorry. We're back. PLX. No problem. I will add PLX. I'm not sure what PLX is. Biotherapeutics. Oh, there's like no volume. It's weird volume. There's not much volume on the 30-second. Let me change the chart. There we go. A 5-minute chart, a little bit better. It's in a buy. I'm not going to buy it because I don't know anything about it, but let's do some quick research on it. All right, let's do some quick research on PLX. Always allow. Need a new chat. New chat. Tell me about the stock PLX. All right, getting fundamentals. I'm getting hungry though. Small cap, Hackensack, New Jersey. Carmel, Israel develops recombatant therapeutic proteins using ProX cells, a plant-based cell expression platform. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna buy that one. It's on a buy there, but there's not enough volume to mean anything. And change the bearish. All right. 64. Nothing has gone here. Let's go through your chats real quick. All right. Let's get fucking GBBGF. Oh my God, there's like no buys here. There's no volume. I had an alert. So what we've learned is Cobra seems to be our baby. It calls it before anybody else does. Bitcoin on the right side. We're in practically nothing on Bitcoin. We're down $6.76 in the wrong account. Whoop de friggin' do. Mm. Nike. I like Nike. Out of one. Oh, look at that. That is some loss porn right there. Oh, that is some loss porn right there. Is at a 16-year low. So the guy who ran Nike, who was doing good with Nike. Um, Tell me a bit about that guy who used to work for Nike, who went to Apple to run the Apple Watch thing. I think his name was Jay or something like that. I like this guy. Jay, you'll see in a second. Apple hires fitness guru as iWatch rumors. Yeah, this is kind of old. Yeah, Jay Balick. He spent 2 decades in Nike as a consultant and a lead athlete for Apple. Yeah, no, I like that guy. Oh, he would be retired in July. Okay. 13-year run, 57. A time with his family in New York City. Verbally abusive, manipulative, said more than 10 people in his roughly 100-person team had taken extended mental health or medical leave. A bullying lawsuit. What in the hell is wrong with people? A bullying lawsuit. Swing trading Nike. It's been good. Plan on getting some for the long term. All right, guys. It's all is quiet here. Since all is quiet, I think I'm gonna go get some Pizza Hut now. Now, here's what's funny. I'm gonna leave the trading view on for you. I'm gonna leave that on, along with. And we're gonna bring that down a little bit. Okay, not maximize. I can't have them both on the same time. Ugh. Well, I'm just gonna go with going to Pizza Hut. Oh, wait, let me see if I can do this. We're gonna add in. So watch. We can add item, media shot. So you only have one media shot. Well, I have an idea. Let's add it. Let me try this. I want to show you guys this screen, and I want to put the pizza. I need to take my phone with me. On to Pizza Hut. I don't even think I'm going to be a half an hour. All right, this should work. I'm going to do my Pizza Hut order, though. Oh, Pizza Hut order. Checkout. That's not bad. There's nothing here that's not known by the world. Team member tip? No, thank you. Other, 0. Apply. What do you guys see? Nothing. All right. I cannot Apple Pay when streaming. Weird. Didn't know that. All right. Let me check what's going on. And we're going to be back in half an hour. at the stage. I don't like chicken wings. I really don't like chicken wings. All right, let me make sure I can place this Pizza Hut order. It's just like, nope. I don't want to use credit card. It's going to be missing something. Sorry, I'm trying to place a Pizza Hut order. I won't get any chicken wings. Team member tip is going to be 0. There we go. I was like, why wouldn't it let me do this? Pizza Hut order. All right. Airbnb. A-B-N-B. I'll put that in. Oh, it's not going to be ready for fucking half an hour. Great. It says preparing. Let me see how my Tesla wants to take. No tip for Jamal. No, I don't fucking. Let's go pizza. It's going to take me 8 minutes to get to Pizza Hut and 8 minutes to get back. So half an hour is about right. I sent it to my car. Let's see if there's any opportunities in Robinhood right now. Oh, shit, we're back green there. Let me screen mirror again. No tip for Jamal. That's correct, sir. No tip for Jamal. Yep, we are positive 34 cents in that account. X, Y, Z. Did I do Airbnb? Airbnb. Need to book an Airbnb later today. Oh, that's a nice juicy one. I like that. I like where that has fallen today. I think we can make money on Airbnb. I've set it up. A lot of stocks today. We're tracking up $2 there. I'm gonna get out of that and we'll add it somewhere else. I think I have the selling 68. I'll sell limit order 8.70 8.7. We're gonna sell all 200. We bought that in the wrong account. We bought that in the account. I have a lot of Robinhood accounts, a lot of different ones. But we're gonna make some money today. We're gonna continue making some money today. Then we're gonna continue making some money today. Then we're gonna continue making some money today. Then once we make some money, we're gonna continue making some money. Okay. Almost out of that. Let's check where Tesla is right now. A lot of alerts active. It is on a short. According to Cobra, it's on a short. I know the difference between all these, but just so you can kind of see, if I were to hide the other ones, hide Vision, hide Ray, Cobra called it. Cobra's our main dog here. I ain't gonna lie, Cobra's the main dog. Let's get out of this. If we get out of this at 70, this is gonna pay for lunch, I think. And again, we can watch the pressure there. It's a really cool chart. I like that. So you see it tick around. Oh, hold on. I have art. Yes, I have art. I'll do XYZ in a second. I don't know why I have pink duct tape in reach. But you know what? Now we has art. Ah, we have art. It asked me to try and add X, Y, Z. Oh, block, square. It's a shitty market day. We're making money. That's a sell on NLST. I like NLST. I'm going to get rid of those alerts today. Sorry. It's done too much today. Get rid of them. I don't hate you. Block. That's a good one. Oh, wait, no. No. Block. X. That's square. Do you like the art? That is exactly how I found Disco Banana. I'm blocking it with my head. Ah, Disco Banana on the wall. All right, we're going to get out of here with a fucking little bit of a profit. We're going to check on our Pizza Hut. It says preparing. It says 12:15. 70. We're there. I don't know if we escaped. Let's go for 71. That'll pay for my Pizza Hut order. The block had a buy in the last minute or two. I didn't add it. Alert. It actually looks good. Ahmed, I like your recommendation. That's gotten the shit kicked out of it today. Tesla sold. Okay, wrong account. All right, let's see what Tesla sold for. What do we make there? Did we make the $8 and something cents on my pizza? We did. We made the pizza. We made lunch. Yay! We made lunch. Bought it in the wrong account. We made lunch, baby. I like block. We'll be up in block already. We're down $3. Bye, mommy. Let's see where we're at profit-wise today. $643. But that last trade was not in that account, if that makes sense. What happened was, I'll explain to you what happened very clearly here. I dumped a whole bunch of stocks last Monday to trade along with Mark. So that's why it's showing you that it was Monday or Tuesday. I dumped a lot of stocks so we could trade together. And they were just dogs that were sitting in my thing for a while. But did really well the next day. I got today we played earnings. No, they played earnings. And then there's some weekend days in there. This, that, and the other. We're in TSLL. Or no, we're in XYZ. We're up $8.36. We're out of TSLL. All right, XYZ. I like that. Block, which is square. Square and Cash App, yeah. I like that trend. 100 more shares. Let's go. I'm going to get this on a scroll so you guys can see when they trip. I think I have given up on TSLO. Not one trend changed. All right. We got it all within a scroll. So you guys can see if any of those get tripped. I think that's fair. That's what people don't understand. I am actually Nvidia. I'm not going to fucking touch. It's the top market cap. I have done business, so we started in total business mode. Look, tonight we're going to Dave and Buster's party mode. I'm taking Mark's wife out for dinner. You guys understand something that the cruise lines don't understand. I know exactly what's going on in this world. I know. I'll give credit to my dad. My dad taught me finance early. My two sisters are not finance people. They can't look at a chart. They can't tell what's going on a chart. They can't set up a whole thing. They can't do any of that. Gonna have to get an additional. I have an additional air conditioning unit in here. I'm gonna have to find a way to power an additional air conditioning unit in here and throw it out a window because it is too hot in this trailer in Florida. I don't usually show total business mode because it messes with my image. You can't show total business mode. It messes with the ball with the image. Dude, block. Wait, what happened? Oh, Tesla's the winner right now. God, let's get into Tesla. I got 8 minutes away. TSLL. Wrong account. Let's go. Okay. So Block was originally Square and Cash App and all that. Where are we taking profit? 80.45 is where we're taking profit. That'll be okay with me. We're going to set that up. Actually, 80.39 gets me profit. We have not corrected yet. Let's turn on the other algos just so we can see. I'm going to check your stuff in a minute, guys. And at about 12:05, I'm going to head out of here. I'll be right back. After this Pizza Hut, we'll be right back. Everyone's actually saying they all went at the same time, which is wild. VE. There's a long there. Full on Bloom Energy. It's not a cheap stock. All right, so I'm going to put a sell here at take profit 2, which is 839. Average price is 832. So what we're seeing right here, 8.39. Wait, not 8.39. God, 80. What's happening here? I'm going to buy it up. The fundamentals of Block are good. Actually, let's learn about it. Guys, we don't do blind trading. Let's learn about it. Can you give me current info on the Block stock? That is correct, sir. I do Pizza Hut. All right. We're going to learn more about Block and their current financials. Wow, what happened? It's Bloom Energy. All right, I might have to jump on this for a minute. It's looking kind of juicy. Um, Number of shares. No, I want to buy. I'll buy 10 shares. Where's our take profit is. Ooh, I'm going to reset that chart view. I'm going to have to turn off these other indicators because it's just too many indicators shitting up one chart. Reset chart view. Okay, take profit is at 236.61. 236.61 is our take profit here. Now these are standard deviations. It's automatically calculating this. Wow, we're like there. Let's go over 236.87. Wait, 87. Very large bid-ask spread here, I do have to say. So it's not a super high volume. I'll show you guys. We'll look at this together. So you'll see there's not a lot of buyers and sellers here. Let's see our Bloom Energy. A lot of sellers up there. That's me. The 27 shares, I think, is actually me. No, 10 shares. You're not seeing the 61. 38, 37. Put some stuff on the screen real quick. Oh, sorry. I didn't realize you can't see shit. Hold on. This is my dumbass. Oh, you just ordered one. That is correct, sir. BE might make me money. Block is very interesting. We're going to review Block. We have exactly 4 minutes. Yep. He could be your worst nightmare. You have no idea. I don't drink during financial rumors. I drank last night while I was gambling some Bitcoin stuff, but okay, I'll go to Home Depot and get a tarp. I got to go to Home Depot anyway. Let me see if my pizza hoover's ready. Sucker around here. XYZ, TSLL, we're good. I have no problem with any of those trades right there. I do want to see if my Pizza Hut's ready. You guys want to wait? I got an idea. I got a really fun, dumb idea. Why don't we all go to Pizza Hut together? You might say, what do I mean? What do I mean? Why don't we all go to Pizza Hut together? This is exactly what I mean. Entering Sandman. Oh my God, technology is abating me. I gotta add trading view and full screen trading view. Let me make sure this is working properly. BE seems to be the most interesting thing to watch. BE will make you money. Let me turn that off real quick. Did you see LIN? Okay, let's do this. Let's go to Pizza Hut. All right, you guys are probably getting some rad feedback. Turn off this mic. All right, we should be good for Pizza Hut. All right. We're going to keep the AC running. Got to clear out the doorway a little bit. Bunch of shit in the doorway. I have my driver's license, keys, bananas on the wall. Let's go. Oh, it is hot out here. It's like 100 degrees out here. Oof. Nothing fell. Good. Of course, I have a combination lock. I'm a mobile office. All right. See then. Let's take the Tesla. Let's take the Tesla. Oop. Woo. Tesla got a software update. It says, wait, Marabou Beauty Supply. It's not where I'm trying to go. Pizza Hut. Gatlin. All right. Professional does not stop for Pizza Hut. All right. Oh, Holland America. Nice. If you know, you know. Yeah, turn off the mic. All right. We got 34 people coming along for Pizza Hut. Yay. We could be on MSC getting drunk, or we could be making money. Oh, wait, I don't have to drive. Ta-da! Tesla drives. Oh, it takes the heat pump in this car. I'd let you watch the self-driving, maybe, if it wants to. There we go. Yup. I have not touched the wheel. Problem is, it wants to make a left here, which it can't do. So the Tesla wants to make a left here. I'm going to see if it figures out it can't make a left, or I have to override it. You can't make a left, you dumb car. I have to override it. It wants to make a left, or it can't make a left. This was the same getting out of my neighborhood down in real South Florida. It's a very strange and hard turn to do. Okay, stop with your illegal left. All right. Again, almost. This is a hard turn in the middle of the day. The car in front of me goes, I'll go. I don't really need to wait this long, but I also need to make an almost immediate U-turn. There we go. Let's get her done. That person was chicken. 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 All right.
Driving to Pizza Hut. 7 minutes, 1.9 miles. Take the turn. I was a little hesitant because there was an Amazon truck coming that way. Take the turn. Other than that right turn, I have not touched the Tesla. It likes to take that left turn. Why? Because it's Waze. The underlying mapping technology. If Christopher Columbus is still here, he'll understand. I missed my sister's wedding due to Waze taking me to the wrong fucking location. Trying to figure out where the hell we're going. I don't know. It's election in Florida tomorrow, but it's just primaries. Just primaries. Even my Tesla's not keeping up with this fucking weather. It's 91 degrees, it says. Gotta be hotter than that. All right, what are you gonna do here? Just gonna stop? Come on. You're watching me scream at my Tesla. Road closed. Hey, we're back. Phone. My phone overheated. That's so weird. It was up on the dash and it just completely overheated. Fucking strange. If you guys can hear me, my phone overheated. If you guys can't hear me, my phone overheated. I think you can hear me now. The air is finally becoming effective. I've been driving for a couple minutes, and the air is finally becoming effective. So now I understand why my trailer is having such a hard time. Welcome to Florida in August. I won't be going to SeaWorld anytime soon. I can tell you that. All right, where the hell is Pizza Hut? Oh, I see it. Oh, we're here right on time. 12:15. Wonderful. I cannot put my phone on the dashboard because it will fucking overheat. Also, I think it's just randomly going to pull into a handicap spot because why the fuck not? Jeff's Bagel Run looks fun. You gonna park? Far away from the Pizza Hut is where you're gonna park, dumbass. Sometimes this car is stupid. I'm just getting further and further away from the Pizza Hut. So today's which is ridiculous. I would love it to pass. Because I have my property's completely paid off. I bought it from Mark. I own nothing on the property, and I'm self-funding my construction. So I'd like it to pass. That's what I'm saying. But I don't think it will because the problem is rent's not going to go down if it passes. So there's going to be some viral fucking campaign that's going to come up that's going to tell renters to vote no. And there's a lot more renters than there are owners, and I think that's going to cripple it. Okay, that's my honest answer. There's some places that look pretty good. Tacos, ponchos. We're gonna go somewhere different for lunch every day for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Yeah, because why not? But right now I gotta order pizza. Oh, I actually can't put you. Oh, I can. I can put you on stage. The property tax thing is weird. I think that it's a question of renters versus buyers. Really, we could. Yeah, only. All right. Hello, Richard. Ah, no. If you got a bag, that'd be great. And the sauce is in there with the breadsticks? Yes. All right, perfect. I'm not used to seeing it bagged. I always see it boxed. That's why I asked. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Yeah, so property taxes. I mean, my property taxes on the empty lot, Mark said, was like $6,500 a year. Once there's a house built, it's probably going to be more of a pain in the ass. Just saying. We got the Pizza Hut. We're going to go back to Command Center. Yeah. I don't want to look. I'm a property owner now too. That means I can vote. That's a oldie time thing, but probably should still be real. But only property owners can vote. All right, we're gonna head back now. I'll stay with you. Has there been a lot of beeping noises going off? Deek deek. I can probably hear it if I turn up my volume. I got a barbecue chicken pizza and I added pineapple because yes. So I spent 50 cents more than I had to. I spent 50 cents more than I had to. I know. I'm ashamed in myself, too. You see on. I left it on the trailer. We got 31 people. What is that one that's up? Is that block? I do not know. I'll let you guys see the self-driving again. Back. Ultra. Wait, what's back dual camera? You can show both cameras at once? No. Okay. Watch us see a fun one. Hey, Croc! Navigate to Camp No Pants.
Navigating to Camp No Pants, about 1.7 miles away, 5 minutes. Let me know if you want to add stops or change anything.
Yes, it's public on Google Maps. Fuck it. It's where my LLC is registered. So, yeah. Navigate to Camp No Pants. You want to come visit? Come visit. I don't fucking care.
Got it. Already navigating to Camp No Pants, your LLC spot.
Don't hit Grandpa. Grandpa's at nowhere to do shit. Don't hit Grandpa. I'm hoping we get there with no interaction. That'd be. People are saying that Tesla's technology for self-driving is not good enough. Let's watch. I have done no interaction so far. I will have to interact so it doesn't drive over a drainage ditch. But we're gonna go have some Pizza Hut. Dave and Buster's is right down the other way. I'm starting to learn where shit is, even though I just asked Grok to take me everywhere. It's waiting because it knows it has to cut across all the lanes of traffic. So it's waiting for those two cars. And then it's going to go. Cut all the way across. No, it's not going to cut all the way across. It's going to go one. It's going to have to go to the left in half a mile. Go two. I hate driving my truck because I actually have to drive it. This I just monitor. It's like Trading View and the noises. This I just monitor. We're going to try the tarp tomorrow. There's the Aldi. Pizza Hut's a good deal, actually. It's just a bitch to get to for the map. Any new comments? I'm not sure. I haven't had the pizza yet on it. Pizza smells good. I mean, there's nothing even close to Tesla's. So I just got that the other day. It's like a month and a half range, starting in late September going to November. It's like a crazy range. Mark wants to come down and pick it up with me because he's a car guy and he doesn't understand how you just walk up to the car and it unlocks. He's like, what? So I'm trading in this and I'm going to eventually sell the truck as well. Because the Model Y can do everything I need, but I'm going to hold on the truck, for a few weeks and make sure it does what it needs to do. The Model Y L will have Tesla insurance on it. And right now, I will tell you I'll show you my stats. I don't want fucking Sirius or Spotify. I want something else. I want the self-driving button. Where's that? Oh, fuck. It's telling me absolutely broke. Where is the self-driving? There's a thing that now shows you. I think I'm like 97% of the time on self-driving. 97% of the time, this car is self-driving. It has driven 5,067 miles on self-driving, and the total is 5,248 So 97% of the time this car is driving, it's on self-driving, which is why my longest streak is 151 straight miles, but that's not entirely accurate. But yeah, 151 straight miles is my longest streak, according to the interwebs. I got some gadgets I'm gonna play with too that are sitting in my front seat. Leave that. A couple of front seat gadgets came from Amazon. Oh, there's a big ugly red spike I don't like on that stock, whatever's open. All right. Oh, is that a turtle? No, don't kill the turtle. Look, there's a turtle. I'm waiting for the turtle, guys. He's in the road. Shows up on my construction site. They shut it down for 2 weeks. Okay, Mr. Turtle. We're clear. You want? Okay. Oh, dumbass turtle. Dumbass turtle. Oh, he doesn't sit there on the road. Oh, no, he got up again. Okay, cool. All right, see you then. Mark. I am back. Who wants to jump? Oh, it's just me joining a bunch of times. Like, what is that? It's me joining a bunch of times. Let me go back to the front camera. Bring in the gizmos of 20s. Who's it and what's its galore? You want thingamabobs? I got 20. But who cares? Nope. I want more. I want to see him dancing. Walking around on those. What do you call it again? Oh, yeah. Feet. Okay. Flipping your fins, you don't get to.